Yeah, I remember times when I ain't have shit. No food in my crib, now I live lavish. They say they love me to my face, but I can't stand it. Them hoes they fuck with me back then, now they attracted. Effing attached to my bro and he gon' blast it. Don't tell me what I've been through, you don't know. Lady out the mud, without you, I'm good. Did it for my little bro, just to show him one day you could.
My wallet is just
cause I told her one day I would. My life been tragic, thank you for asking. I see too many of my fam end up in caskets. I see too many of my friends turn into ashes. But she still had them. Let the blood put it to the sky. I'm tryna get high. That was tough, look me in my eyes, tell me it's alright. Had to cut plenty people off, money out my mind.
This is nice.
Fuck with them, I can't trust nobody.
Rob face on me here, I can't lie.
No food in my crib, now I live lavish.
Oh my!
They love me to my face, but I can't stand it. Them hoes they fuck with me back then, now they attracted. Effing attached to my bro and he gon' blast it. Don't tell me what I've been through, you.
In the head, bruh.
And we all legit. I get $1 million, that's so quick. Good rims on it, so they know this. Grind all the time, so I'm meals, but I'm gon' get. I don't talk it, about living it. If it ain't blue strips, I ain't getting it. I'ma hit the
He's
strip
that no
club
scope?
and
Like
I'm
what the fuck?
with another nigga big pay.
Okay, let's skate. Bad bitch finna come my way. Going 90 when I'm on the highway. Can't go high without the high. Ay, every day I wake up, smoke another gram. Ay, I don't give a fuck, another damn. Ay, I'm smoking the kush, move it down. Ay, I'ma let these bitches know who I am.
I guess you could say I put in practice. On the strip, under lights, now I'm back, bitch. And even if I'm blown on my own, put the chrome to your dome, make it stretch like elastic. Spring to the fall, I'm still on my balls. It's the #1 nigga from the hood, doggy dog. Still pull up on a nigga when I need to be heard. I'm a killer and a stiller, but I ain't from Pittsburgh.
Yes, I get bitch, I did it in the trap.